All right, here I am at the Starbucks on the corner of Pomona and Temple. We're gonna go right down there to that driveway and pull in to get to the Conservation Corps. Hey there, heading up to the Conservation Corps. Thank you. Stop at the first stop sign here. We're going to keep going through. This is Commercial Street here. And the next stop sign that we come to is where we're going to turn left here on Hill. Now there is a sign there that says California Conservation Corps. Ta-da! Pointing to the left. And we're going to come up to a one-way street here. So to the left is the wrong way. That's one way, so we want to go to the right here. And we're going to continue following the signs that point towards the California Conservation Corps. So another one right there. California Conservation Corps to the left. Okay. Now you can pretty much park all along the right side here, especially once we get around the corner past this no parking between sign right there. So anywhere along here we can park. You can see there's a lot of cars parked along here right now. This little parking area on the left you can park in. Any of these empty spots where we don't have red, we can park. And you can continue driving past this building here and to the left, and there's another little parking area down there. Now this building right here is where we're going to be meeting up. In fact, my blue truck is going to be parked right here where I'm pulling in right now. And this is where you will find me for our field trip next week.